video, we're going to look at the Maya floor work, okay? So it's a bit tricky for the legs. If you've got bad knees, this probably isn't going to be the video for you, okay? So just be mindful, look after yourself. Again, you're going to have to really make sure you warm up first before you do this video, because otherwise you're going to be in trouble. So warm up. I've got so many videos, there's no excuses. There's loads of classes to choose from. So go do them and then come see me. So Maya, if you have no idea what a Maya is, this video is not going to teach you how to do a Maya. I already have a Maya video, quick tutorial, in my figure of 8 series. So if you go on my YouTube page, you've got the figure of 8 series, go and look up Mayas and tack seams. That's going to teach you how to do the Maya. And then you can come back and do this one. Okay, so let's get started straight away. I'm going to have my knees under my hips and my feet are going to be like this. Now when I go down and when I go up, I'm going to try, well not try, but I need to execute it, keeping my spine, so my ears, my shoulders, my ribs, my hips have to be in the same line. And my tummy has to be engaged. So in my school, in Minister BellyDance school, we call this the halfway tummy pop, so that your muscles are engaged. As belly dancers, we dance with our muscles. And in my school, I teach you to dance from the inside out, which is very deep, it's very broad. It sounds so simple, but actually when we go into it and what I actually teach you guys is significantly more in depth than that statement allows to give you ideas of. Anyway, so you have here, we have up, and we're going to sit down onto the heels. And then as I come up, I'm coming back up straight. So what I'm not doing is this and this. No, because that would be far too easy, and also it is not going to look very good. Okay, so we just do that a couple times. Tummy engage, halfway tummy pop. You have to engage your core. Shoulders down, neck long, your chest lifted. I'm gonna rise up. So you'll feel a party in your thighs immediately when you do that, if you're doing it properly, okay? And then you come down. So bad knees is probably very, like, you should do it. So have see how you feel, but listen to your body, it's really important. And so I rise up, and I come back down. Okay, so now we're going to do the Maya. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up and down. I'll face the front again, and then I'll go to face the side so you can see that as well. So I have to start with my hips slightly back, because it's very difficult. I mean, you can start here, but you're not going to get significant range of movement here. So you have to have a little bit more bend, and then you will go much further. The lower you go, the further your hips will be able to go because of your alignment. So in my school, we focus on alignment a lot as well, because alignment is what makes it safe, okay? So, float the arms out to the side. This is what we call classical position in my school. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's stay down for 4. Now let me talk to you about this. Stay here. Keep your hips slightly off of your heels. What I mean by that is I'm not sitting completely on my heels. You could do, but then you're going to roll around on your feet. It's easier, so you could try it, but it's easier. I would rather you engage your muscles more. So in my school, we dance from our muscles, and we dance from very depths of our being. Very inside the body. That's what I teach you guys. So, we raise slightly. So these babies are already active, okay? And then we Maya. Alright, so let's come to the front again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, release. So we're gonna do down for 4, stay for 4, up for 4. Down for 4, stay for 4, up for 4. Okay? You have to really focus on the aesthetics, which is your posture, making sure you're not crunching your shoulders up, making sure you're engaging your tummy, and making sure you're completing your range of movement. You never want to feel any pain in your spine. That's a big no-no. Ever in life, never feel pain in your spine, okay? So off we go. My knees are in line with my hips. Do you want to be too close, okay? Hips. All right, take your arms out to the side. Classical position. Down for 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Keep your chest up. Stay here. 1, 2, 3. Rise up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, rise up, 2, 3, 4, go down, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4, rise up, 2, 3, and release. Okay, shake your legs out if you need to. I'm going to face a slight diagonal in case it helps you guys. So if you like the music, all of the music I use in my videos is by Tribal from the Trap. Tribal is in Tribal Fusion. Tribal, if you get stuck, read the description. Tribal from the Trap. There's lots and lots of music you can choose from to listen to jam to if you want, to practice to, but also you can use in your live streams or in your videos that you post on social media and stuff, because the music is license free. So you can use it. Enjoy using it. And there'll be more new releases coming soon on top of what's already been released. Okay, so we're going down for 4, stay for 4, up for 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now you can dance a little bit. 4, hold. 2, 3, 4. Rise. 1, 2, 3. Engage your tummy all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. So if you're brand new to this sort of stuff, your thighs might hurt in the morning. Oh well. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. So check out my website, BellyDance.com. Come to my classes when this lockdown's over, or if it's already over for you guys, you can come to my studio. My studio is private. It's private and a very small amount of people when we're allowed to be open again. So come here. Otherwise, do my online school. Come to my online school and join our family. Okay? So I look forward to seeing you at some point somewhere. And keep posted with the live online streams that I've been doing as well. Come to those. So I will see you soon.